What's up guys, it's WSWTAG Lego here. Hope you're having a great day. This week we have a mock that doesn't really have a specific theme. It's kind of just like a test of my building skill, and I just had some inspiration to build it without any particular theme, so it's basically just some sort of desert warfare. I wasn't really sure what to call the video, so maybe I'll call it that. But as you can see, it's in a very desert country or some sort of deserty planet even. It could be on a different planet. This could even be Star Wars if you want it to be. But if this looks familiar, that's because it's from a previous video I made showing you how to build this tree. You can click up here in the corner to check out that video. It's a really good tree design because it uses stud shooters for the trunk, which is a great part use for a piece that people don't really like and usually have a lot of, so that's super helpful. But actually, that tree was not the inspiration for this build. The inspiration was actually these pieces here, which are these 1x2 rounded plates with holes, and if you stack a bunch up alternating the studs, then you get like a really nice wall that can just be curved in any direction if you have enough of them. And so I have this gray wall here with some dark tan mixed in, and that really helped set the scene for this build. The landscape around here was also pretty complicated, as I wanted all of these slopes to sort of rim the sand color, but I wanted all the little bits to match up. A lot of slopes here start half a stud high already. They don't go all the way down to a point, so it's hard to match them up with other slopes on the other side. So what you have to do is do some complex stuff inside using different headlight bricks to get the smooth shape that you would want. The tree's probably going to fall over, but as you can see around the edges there's a lot of complicated plates and headlight bricks holding all those together with just some green holding up the sand plates. This skeleton isn't studded in, he's just sitting right there. He got stabbed, as you can see, a long time ago, and now he doesn't have any flesh or skin or muscle. And then speckled around here we've got a lot of different pebbles and rocks and different colors of sand, along with some different weeds that are trying to grow up out of the rock, and another skull right here. Don't forget there's also these minifigures, which are mostly Star Wars minifigures. They're a little bit customized, but let me just see if I can get the tree back on and I'll do the outro. So that's about all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this mock. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more like this. Let me know down in the comments what mock you would like to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.